In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a microphone onto your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So traditionally for most plug-and-play microphones, you just plug it in and it should automatically install the drivers. If you're having an issue with that, you can also go reach out to the manufacturer and see if there are any drivers available, or you can just search it up on their website, as is the case for most of them. If you're using a Bluetooth microphone, you would open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select sound. And then scrolling down underneath input, you want to select where it says pair a new input device, and then add a device, and then walk through the on-screen process of setting that up, and that would pretty much be it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.